Hello? Hello, hello? Hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Okay. This has happened before, where the input on your phone isn't working. We'll have someone come out and fix the microphone on your phone thing. All right. Yeah. I just gotta read out this thing, corporate jargon. I contractually have to, or I could get fired. So, just it's a whole. Just let me do it, and I'll yeah. Where is it? Okay. Got it. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Here at Fazbear Entertainment, we like preserving an atmosphere of wonder and hope. So at every chance you get, make sure you add to the immersive experience that is the Fazbear franchise. This is our newest location, and it promises to be our very best yet. Of course, Freddy himself is here to stay, being our prized main character, alongside longtime returning companions like Chica, who had a restaurant of her very own back in the day. His good friend on the electrical guitar is named Bonnie, a blue, brash beam of excitement for our young audience. Finally, we come to Foxy the Pirate, who has a stage of his own, a Pirate Cove of Adventure. He's the one who's under maintenance right now. So that's... keep that in mind. Together, our four fun, fantastic friends perform the best of the best in early 80s pop songs that we could license for cheap, along with a few more copyright-free jams. Freddy is the lead singer, with Chica on backup vocals, Bonnie as the lead guitar, and Foxy uses his hook and sword as a percussion triangle. Isn't that neat? It's a bit more, so just bear with me. You work the night shift and are our pizzeria's prized guardian. Make sure you're checking the cameras all night long, because our Faz band likes to take to the halls and check the place out. But if they get into your security room, they could really make a ruckus, so make sure they don't do that. You probably don't know this from any outside form of media, and you will not be able to figure this out on your own based on very obvious context clues, but the doors can actually close using buttons to your left and right. Wow. This innovative technology allows for the doors to be closed using electricity, but you need that power for your lights and camera monitor as well. How cool! If you need food during the night, feel free to grab a pizza from the kitchen. The cost will be taken out of your salary with interest. The code to the employee bathrooms is 17490123599976453290 2908. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing persons report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached, and the carpets have been replaced. Make sure you check those cameras, don't let the animatronics in, and have a very fun and exciting 6 hours of doing nothing but this. That's right. You're spending 6 hours doing this. Remember that. 6 whole hours at Freddy's. This is what you chose to do. Sitting down for 6 hours at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I do not know why the last portion of the script they give me is so aggressive. It really points out the fact that you're doing this for 6 hours. It's quite, like, it's weird, so I apologize for that. I hope you have a nice night, and call me if you need any assistance. Or, like, in an emergency situation. But you won't be able to talk to me, so just use, like, do you have a cell phone? You can use a cell phone to call the cops if you want. Okay. Have a nice night. Hi, thank you for calling John's Fantastic Pizza, open 24 hours. What can I get started for you? Yes, we do deliver. Okay, extra cheese. Okay. Hold the sauce. Okay. Do you want any extra toppings? No. Okay. Oh, sorry. Give me 1 sec. Okay. Have a good night at Fazbear's Pizza. Goodbye.